DRIPLOC Econo wall mount system install instructions. You will need a drill, a 3/8 nut driver, gloves, and safety glasses. The Econo system comes with 4 sock-retaining brackets. The brackets should be evenly spaced across the lower half of the fan at approximately the 4 o'clock, 5, 7, and 8 o'clock positions. Using the supplied 3/8 self-tapping screws, attach the brackets to the outer flange edge of the fan. Use 2 screws for each bracket. Once the brackets are installed, push the sock behind the brackets. Start by placing the sock behind the bracket at the 4 o'clock position and then feed it all the way around the bottom of the fan to the bracket at the 8 o'clock position. Then fold the sock in half and run it back to the first bracket. Your install is now complete. For more information, call DRIPLOC at 1-877-374-756 today.